What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and join the Loc Nation family, okay? So I'm popping in at the beginning of this video because I told you guys once, I told you guys twice, I said it many times, okay? Your girl's brain is like a computer. I literally can do anything that I think of with locks, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys, all right? Starting right now. So in the spirit of fall, in the spirit of Halloween, okay? Come into my world. Come on. Let's get into this pumpkin lock style.